In this quick video, let me show you how you can hide a note on your Mac computer. So you have a few ways to do this. So if I go to the Notes app on the Mac, and if I want to hide this one in particular, for example, what I can do is I can right click on it. And the best option is essentially to lock the note, right? So when I click on a lock note, it's going to ask me to type in the password for this computer. So I'm going to just type that in. And I can decide if I want to use Touch ID or just the password, but let's say that I enable Touch ID and now the note is going to be locked, right? So it is essentially like locked in a sense that it can be locked, but I still have to click on the icon at the top, and now it is fully hidden. So the content of this note is hidden, it's locked, and if I want to get inside, I can obviously use the Touch ID on my keyboard, or I can enter the password and see the content of this. So that's nice, it works well. You can lock any note on your Mac, but the other method is simply to get it outside of the Notes app and save it somewhere completely different. Because, for example, you can see I have this note saved in here, and I can go to the top left corner and portion of the display, click on file and export it as PDF. And at that point, I can export it to, for example, my desktop like this. And then now I have a PDF containing all of the details from my note. This can be saved, for instance, on an external SSD, or I don't know, I can upload it to Google Drive, for instance. And now that I have it outside of the notes, I can even delete it in here. And now it's recently deleted, so I'm going to delete it permanently like this. And now I still have the note saved on my desktop. So I have the information, but it's like hidden in the sense that it's not even in the Notes app anymore. So I guess that could work for you as well. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.